The traction control system is a crucial safety feature that helps maintain vehicle stability, especially during slippery driving conditions. Understanding what different warning lights mean can help you respond appropriately to potential issues. The traction control system uses wheel speed sensors, an electronic control unit, and other components to monitor each wheel's rotation. When it detects wheel spin, it can reduce engine power or apply brakes to specific wheels to maintain traction. There are several different traction control warning lights you might see on your dashboard. Each has a specific meaning that indicates what the system is doing or if there's a problem. A solid warning light indicates a system malfunction has been detected. When this happens, the traction control system is disabled for safety reasons. Your vehicle is still drivable, but you'll have reduced stability assistance. A flashing warning light means the system is actively working to maintain traction. This is normal operation during slippery conditions like rain, snow, or ice. The flashing should stop once traction is regained. Multiple warning lights appearing together often suggest more significant issues. ABS plus TCS lights typically indicate a shared component failure, while ESC, TCS, and ABS lights together suggest a major system malfunction or low brake fluid. Modern vehicles integrate traction control with other safety systems, including electronic stability control, electronic stability program, and brake assist system. These systems communicate through advanced CAN bus networks for coordinated operation. Electronic stability control works with traction control to prevent understeer and oversteer. When the system detects the vehicle isn't following the driver's intended path, it can apply brakes to individual wheels to help maintain control. As of 2025, diagnostic tools have become much more sophisticated. Modern systems use artificial intelligence to predict failure patterns. Wireless diagnostics are now standard, and many vehicles feature real-time cloud connectivity for enhanced troubleshooting capabilities. Understanding what different traction control warning lights mean helps you respond appropriately to maintain vehicle safety and know when professional diagnosis may be needed. When troubleshooting traction control issues, start with basic checks before moving to advanced diagnostics. The systematic approach saves time and identifies the most common problems first. The next step involves electronic diagnosis using an OBD2 scanner. This tool retrieves fault codes and provides live sensor data to pinpoint the exact problem area. Understanding the common causes helps prioritize your diagnostic approach. Wheel speed sensor failures account for nearly half of all traction control problems, followed by brake system and electrical issues. Wheel speed sensors are the most common failure point. These sensors monitor wheel rotation and send signals to the electronic control unit. Contamination from road debris or physical damage are typical causes. Repair approaches vary depending on the complexity of the issue. Simple tasks like cleaning sensors can be done at home, while complex electrical diagnosis and hydraulic component replacement require professional expertise. After completing repairs, system reset procedures are often necessary. This may involve clearing codes, calibrating sensors, or performing brake bleeding to ensure proper system operation. The good news is that most traction control problems are relatively straightforward to fix. Statistics show that 78% of warning lights are resolved through sensor cleaning or replacement, making these issues manageable for most vehicle owners.